In this video, we take you to Potato Patch Campground, which is located in Prescott National Forest. It's just south of Jerome. We stayed in Loop B, and the kids were quick to set up camp and explore and walk around. We even had time to set up a campfire that night. If you're driving and you have the option, come up from the south. There's only one switchback, and the rest is all climbing up to the 7,200 feet elevation. It's much better than coming from the north side where Jerome is. Tons of switchbacks, and you have to go through town. The next day, we hiked the Woodchute Trail, which is a moderate hike. It's about 2.3 miles one way. We did not quite make it to the top, but our total round trip was over 4 miles. The girls did great. Here we go.